So we are going to put this down, water the lawn. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have BioAdvanced insect killer right here. Insect control, insect killer, whatever you want to call it. Right here it says kills grubs and lawn damaging pests. So as you know, grubs do damage to your lawn, you guys. So if you want the best lawn you can have, you need to control the insects in your lawn, as well as, you know, feed the lawn and stuff like that. So it's a lot to take care of a lawn, but you know, you have to do the right measures to take care of your lawn. So with that being said, we have the BioAdvanced here. I just went over the orthro. We have the orthro. The orthro, I think I might use in the backyard. This stuff right here, BioAdvanced, I might use in the front yard. I used BioAdvanced weed and feed before. And what else? I use another product of BioAdvanced. So I have used BioAdvanced products before and they worked very well. And hopefully this one will work well. A lot of questions people ask when it comes to using this type of stuff for your lawn, especially if it's granular or if it's liquid. A lot of people ask on this channel when it comes to the granulate or when it comes to the liquid insect control, or when it comes to like weed control and chemicals that goes into your lawn. They ask how long should they wait before kids and pets enter into the lawn. On this bag, it says wait until the lawn is completely dry after watering. All right, you guys, so we are going to put this down. We're going to water the lawn. And once again, do not let your kids or pets enter into the lawn after it dries. So just go ahead and enjoy the video. All right, you guys, so we have the BioAdvanced. And I'm gonna use this on the front yard. So I used the ortho on the backyard, BioAdvanced on the front yard. We're gonna see which one works out the best. All right, there we go. All right. Oh, these are more like pebbles. This is different than the ortho. The ortho was more dry, like had powder too. Now these are more like pebbles. The ortho had like granulates, but it was like some powder as well. For the fun part, you guys, the part that nobody wants to calculate. When you calculate this stuff on the back of this, you do have the Scotts. It says Scotts Deluxe Edge Guard. It says 8 pounds per 1,000 square foot. You need to put it on 2.75. For 1.2 pounds per 1,000 square foot, you put it on 3.25, and for 2 pounds per 1,000 square foot, you put it on 3.75 if you have a Scotts Edge Guard. All right, and oh, that's nice. So right here, apply rate of 8 pounds per 1,000 square foot. So they actually have the multiplications table for you. So that's pretty nice. So for 1,000 square foot, you need to measure out 20 foot by 50 foot, and then that will be your 1,000 square foot. But like I said in my ortho video, if you want to know how much pounds you're using per bag, you will have to divide the pounds that you use per pound for bag. So you have only 10 pounds in this bag. So you will have to divide that on how many pounds you're using per square foot. And you know, you need to know the square footage of your yard. That's how you know how many pounds of bug control that you need. I hope that wasn't confusing. If it was confusing, I will try to break it down in even simpler format later. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down now because it's about to rain. It does say when you put it down, water it. It's somewhere here, you guys. I know I read it. And now my OCD is kicking in. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, it says, okay. So apply in 3 easy steps. Determine the size of the job and measure the area like I told you. Using the spreader setting chart, set your spreader to the proper setting. All right. Apply product according to the label rates. Complete coverage is important. Water in granulates immediately following application to release the active ingredients into the grass and soil. People and pets may re-enter lawn once grass has dried. That's probably the number one question when I'm putting down any type of product on the lawn. People ask about their kids and their pets. That is the number one question. All right. And that's it. I am ready to put this down. All right, you guys. So we are a couple of weeks later after putting down that BioAdvanced bug control. And I have to say that the ants did not die. Actually, they came back. And they are alive and well. Here. This is why my grass is not thriving how it's supposed to thrive, you guys. All right, you guys. So we are on our second application, and it has been close to 2 months now, you guys. I've been starting this little project in like mid-April, and I have to say that the BioAdvanced is not working out the way I thought it would. Just for me using BioAdvanced before, I thought this would be like, you know, BioAdvanced is a pretty good brand, so maybe you have to put a little bit more down, but you can see our friends right there in their little colony. See them right there. So our ant friends are having a nice time in their little hotel stay for now. I'll stay up with y'all to let y'all know what I'm gonna use on the lawn next to try to get rid of the bugs. And yeah, that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.